In this video, you'll learn how to build a YouTube automation workflow using n8n. By following these steps, you will create a streamlined process for managing your YouTube tasks effectively. Begin by navigating to the n8n workflows page. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for the n8n platform. Once you arrive at the home page, locate the Workflows option in the menu. Click on this link to proceed to the Workflows section where all your automation processes will be managed. Next, find the Templates button on the Workflows page. This button is typically located in the top navigation bar. Clicking on Templates will take you to a library of pre-built workflows that you can use as a foundation for your automation. After that, scroll down to the section labeled Featured Marketing Templates. This section showcases various templates designed specifically for marketing tasks, including those for YouTube. Click on this section to explore the available options tailored for your needs. Once you are in the Marketing Templates section, select a template that suits your requirements. For instance, you might choose a workflow designed to summarize YouTube videos from transcripts. Clicking on the template will direct you to a detailed view where you can see its functionalities and setup. Then click on the button labeled Use for Free. This option allows you to utilize the selected template without any cost. After clicking, you will be prompted with a confirmation screen indicating that you are ready to proceed with the selected workflow. Following this, look for the option labeled Import Template to Own Workspace. Clicking this button will initiate the process of adding the template to your personal n8 workspace. This action is essential as it allows you to customize the workflow according to your specific needs. Keep in mind that the size of the workflow and any associated data may affect how quickly it can be imported into your workspace. If you have a slow internet connection, be prepared for potential delays during the import process. Once the import is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. After importing, you can now customize the workflow to fit your specific YouTube automation needs. Review the individual nodes and parameters to ensure they align with your objectives. Adjust any settings as necessary before activating the workflow. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.